Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Omwancho murigereria bwegete seni y'Ensoko no kwegena kwanenga imaragoba ya umbuye kwirete na inde mono bunere echumeri enchenu asaba bwatane baria bekerisia ya katolike asendo chenga ogochenga kogenderete asechipara au asaba bwatani abo mwancho murigerera ndechiga ne Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba asengo chigo kumanyia aya tegete kurasi chinsemo au imenseto ya Kenya endetariane neirina mura karibu. Ekero ababwatani bekerisia ya katoliki ensengima bagenderete gochengera litukorie chume nchenu eryo nainde limanyekanete nga Easter Friday omurai Ruto nigo abasemirie gose abatakeira abakristo erusengia na kubagania gutwaro gosemeria abakristo korwa chinsemo ao nigo basoa sechipara gochengera litukeriga asokwenyora ogukwa na okuboka kwa Yesu.
As we remember kusulubiwa na kufufuka kwa Yesu Kristo, may this season remind us that baada ya kila jaribio kuna ufufuo na kuna mwanzo mpya. To every family, may the spirit of Easter bring joy and peace. To every weary heart, may it bring hope and renewed faith. And to our beloved nation Kenya, may it bring strength of unity and love. Mungu abariki familia zenu, Mungu abariki Kenya. Happy Easter.
Salam Maria, umejaa neema, Bwana yu nawe, umebarikiwa kuliko wanawake wote, na Yesu mzao wa tumbo lako amebarikiwa. Maria mtakatifu.
No mugavana we county ya Kisii Muskesi Mbarati obekirwa sena mbeyemo asobokoreri obuya nekyombe keriage okoroboringoria ya Paul Track Omoske Simba nigabwate chipointi kyanda chinugutesano kakubwatiwa no mugavana we county ya Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi ase chipointi isano nemo abagavana Gladys Wanga Mudhumi Njoki negati y'abagavana 10 bakorire buya asensemo ya magenderero ase chikaunti chiabo.
Congratulations, sir. Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
You know, up till this evening, I was looking at information which I got, just only to be told I'm a star leader. I wasn't all very sure until I was told that it was scientific. I thought, you know, there are many things which runs out there. The likes of Kinababu, these are my students, and they'll tell you, we've gone through this. It's basically service to the people. I can see my colleague, Didmas, is here. He will equally say it's all about service to the people. The gentleman from Mukambani, Machakos, these are people that we have served with in Parliament. And indeed, for us who have been there, because of serving the people, you have realized that it's not easy to go back if you have served properly. And we are determined to do that. Like myself, it's not about myself, it's about my people of Kisii. This award today is all about my people whom I'm serving. Above all is issues of dealing with corruption, which has been the big problem in the country. Unless we tackle, even if we did what, the country will never move. Therefore, good people, going forward, we must get our things. And this generation, it belongs to us. There is no angel who will fall from heaven to fix our current situation. And for sure, and nothing is easy as it looks. Everything takes longer than we expect. And if anything can go wrong, it will at the worst possible moment. But when we're determined, we can make it. And we're determined to change. Like in Kisi, I want to tell you, before you get to Singapore, you'll pass through Kisi.
No seneta we kaunti ya Nyamira omuske Okongo Mogeni nigatebire nigere buya abagavana kugenda ase Senate eryo kwiraniria mubulyo iguru y'obutumeki bw'ekibesa cy'eki county kagokwana kurase wodi ya gisima imeye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba Mugeni nigo amokiri umugavana Nyaribo asikiri agoteba nigo butumeki bw'ekibesa cy'eki county wose bwe county ya Nyamira borobobe nigasabira obumo kwaneki wasegesa kukyumo gusi asokurwanirira egetange kya SGR ikyo kerengere gocha gwetera Chinsa Ikomi
Rakobakera mbia mono asoko ngakera chikura chyo bo senator na endega asiri mwato tomete go Nairobi nero togendrete gukora no nyambali to bonete kurigereria ngotumia abali chibesa buya babeira bakongu otoko tomera chibesa buya chire ikire bachinyora buya lakini komorangeria ko erese gakia atumire yeko bese nabone weekend na litwatomete chibesa chinde go che county oyote ngachivocha chikoli lakini amaliogo achete Nyamira umutinyo gatano mwaka uri timaite sinyigitari yeno njibwata maliogo njibwata wono go sinyunga onye chibesa ntu Nairobi wono na tuwa itu gasi okonya komenda unabona mwaka na momenta chi milioni 400 million chibichekire 6 point something billion no ene para okoro matunwa ojo matutoa junction no ene gali matori tingo sinyunga kieweta lakini komorange Nairobi omobori ngakiotumia te chibesa ngaya koranga nebitena yani kobori chibesa cyanya mina ngachikotumeka gakie bine bitena moro mo wanje mwako yache tuwa mobori amaswali unana kine to korukare kare na kaigure na ini ngo umware bare tanga nyambera nere kisi ngiya mine tinga nyambera nero amakabu ngiya koruserie meberega yache kutosokeri gukericho maate libaga ko irese ke gusiba kwa na simba amata inge mebere nera ngo chakugachabo gose bona gai ono roje toligereiri abandate ngabo usia bana borogi ngabako na cho monto kokoro bato magoche kericho ono ngiye ke murojo mugabo na yawo tokore yani ngakinga kyoko nyoroko boko agochi gotinde koko boko kericho ngayi arusi tia kwere kericho gose bona gai Mami hongo sabanga bwate ikura boronge kotoko genda 2027 tonyole ngachikura ntubwate chisaye naende nkolere asoko basaba komoranje unege sokyo mugusi tobeamo
N'abanyanyimbo chiribu emiyemo 33 kurwasege kosi ya National Police nabalia bechichera babekirwe insayo muruberi omuya bobochenu okorokwa usalama cover uyore ase ekegancha kyogusira okogwenigwa gusogwa kana chibiri cyanyagitari gwetera sha abawaziri Aden Duale na Kipchumba Murkomen nigo barayiro muruberi yo naboigo bago gusebayo togire na igitambukire kyase bagotebanga nigo kirachikurwa obokoreri obuya.
Now our providers ni wangapi? How many do we have?
Who will face with an emergency going forward under that fund? The ambulance that will pick will be paid by SHA. He'll be taken to a hospital. The hospital will not ask for a deposit.
And any corrupt elements within our ranks, anyone attempting to steal public money meant for healthcare for our officers will be arrested and subjected to the full force of the law.
The government sees your daily sacrifices and is committed to protecting your health and well-being and that of your families. We are called upon, therefore, to reciprocate by rendering dignified and patriotic services to the people.
You do not have to be sick. Kesho, ukisema nataka kujua blood pressure yangu ni nini. If you go to any of these providers, beyond blood pressure, usema you want to know your mafuta.
And you say it's going to collapse, you must give scientific evidence and proof
And I have asked for that proof. Nobody is giving me.
It is focusing on discouraging Kenyans from seeking good medical care.
Muchumuriria na sensemo yende erombe yabarai bechikanisa kurwa sorogongo rwa ekaunti ya Homa Bay basabira basaye barorogongo rwa luo Nyanza kweorokia guse kwesokia buna abaki bechikura bosio bwobochori bwo mwaka uri mutwe abarai nigo bamentire goteba enseme yo nigo ibwate umubaro oinse w'abantu aberikirie buna abaki bechikura.
Encourage all young people, come out. If you have not taken your ID, please go and take your ID. Go and register and become a voter so that when time comes to elect leaders that we wish to have, we may have the opportunity to vote in the right leaders. So I want to encourage those who have even had registered some time back, you can go and check if your vote is still valid and if your vote still works. So we encourage all the people of Homa Bay County, please, looking at the numbers, we are down. We have not done our best as the Luo nation. We have not done our best as Homa Bay County. Please, I urge you, come out in a rush and go and register as a voter.
Na senchere ya moyo kumwakire koko umurai bwense umusike William Ruto abarai ao na buno mugavana we county ya Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru uganirie nsemo ya mulima Kenya kugenderera komoko boko umurai bwense William Ruto aseboigo abakureire buna kunganya guchia asensemo yo kwamiria serikali kwirira okugania kwaye koba nuburito ase okomentekana okomwa libaga ligia ase okoba omokonyi bumurai bwense.
Ebu tufikirie tu kidogo, kwa sababu tunaweza kuwa tunafurahishwa kule nje, tujitupe kwa shimo. Watoto wetu ndio wanaweza pata shida. Mimi nitawaomba ni virahisi zaidi kusukuma huyo amalize, ndio kwa tumejipanga. Ule mtu mtasema mnataka hiyo mwaka ingine, sisi tutamuunga mkono mumchague. Sio ati kurudi tena huko nyuma, tuanze tena kuhesabu miaka 10.
No monogeri we serikali Isaac Mwaura oenekeire abakora imirimo be serikali gucha konyora kibesa cyabo cyaritaya asinga kiwenerete otebire serikali yabekire mirubirio ya digital eyokera oyomo ugachete kibesa cyaye aranyore obokoreri bwa bwango.
Lakini tukitapo kuangalia takwimu zetu kama serikali, uchumi ulikuwa umezorota wakati umechukua hatamu za uongozi. Na katika miaka mitatu, yale maendeleo ambayo Mheshimiwa William Ruto ameweza kuyafanya hayajawahi kufanyika tangu uhuru. Hakuna rais yoyote ambaye amefanya hiyo kazi. Kwa mfano, wakati wa serikali ya awamu ya 4 iliyopita, nyumba zilizokuwa zimejengwa ni 8,000 za bei nafuu. Sasa hivi tumejenga zaidi ya nyumba ya maelfu, zaidi ya nyumba 1,300 za jengwa sasa hivi. Na tulikuwa tumesema nakisi ipo katika nyumba 250 kila mwaka. Lakini angalau 50 zinapatikana kutokana na wawekezaji wa kibinafsi. Ukiangalia mambo ya uzalishaji, tumeongeza sana kipato kikubwa katika mimea mingi tofauti. Ukiangalia kama ni mpunga, ukiangalia hata bei ya kahawa na kadhalika. Ukiangalia zile barabara ambazo tunazijenga, na tumeanza kuzijenga, tumezikwamua kilomita zaidi ya 8,000. Lazima tuhakikishe kwamba malipo ya uzeeni ya wale ambao ni baba zetu, mama zetu ambao wamefanya kazi katika serikali. Sasa hivi tuna mfumo mpya wa kiteknolojia ya kuhakikisha kwamba hizo fedha wanazipata kupitia simu zao za rununu na kwenye mtandao. Kutokea mwezi wa Mei tarehe 1 tunaanzisha huo mfumo ambao utawafaidi walimu na wafanyikazi wengine wa umma zaidi ya 1,100. Fellow Kenyans, the government takes this opportunity to wish you a good Friday and happy Easter holidays. Please travel. Be careful on our roads. Enjoy the moments. Connect with family. We are very, very blessed because schools have now closed, so families are going to have a nice time. And always remain patriotic and nationalistic because we have only one country to serve. Thank you. Happy Easter holidays.
Omwancho murigereria kurasoro botu ruechi pension igabuno toguchokorera Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asemaroba yabono kurendengo sabanga aya amona yanda sobwagare tubwati nainde asichinsa bosenseyemo ni chinsa isatu asobotuko bwa rero boigokorwa ase TV yo minto igo togubakira TV yansoko nigo tokubakiranga mbyemono asoko gendera kubwatia emiroberi yeto boigona moto bwatia asenchera area ya imitandao erinde tunyako batoko bagokia obutuko no mubaso twabatakeire esuguku ya Easter engia genderera gotubwatia